Hello, everyone. This is Linda. And today, I'm canning my figs. So these are my figs. They've been frozen. I've cleaned them and I cut the tops off. Yeah, they're frozen. But we're going to put them in a pot. but I'm going to just share with you how I preserve my figs. Now, I will not be canning my preserves and putting them on the shelf. No, that's not going to do today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in some jars. I'll show you that. And I'm going to keep 2 for me. And I'm going to share the rest. Yeah. So I'm going to show you the smaller jars I'm going to use today because this is a very small amount of figs I'm going to cook. Let me show you my jars. So here's my jars. They're in the water. This is my pot. And now I'm going to put the figs in here. And I'll share with you what I'm going to do. All right. So this is my figs. They're in my pot. And basically, all I do is add sugar. These are my ingredients right here. Sugar. I'm going to add a small piece of margarine and some lemon juice. I'll show you when I come back. So I've added my sugar and a small piece of butter, and now I'm just putting a little lemon juice, and it's just for acid. But also I like it because it gives the figs a little smack. I like it. All right, I don't want to go too far. But when you cooking your figs, you do as you like. So now we just let these babies cook down. I'm going to put them on medium. And I'm going to let them cook down. Top them up. And I'll bring you back. Hey guys. This is about 15 minutes in. Yeah. And they are nice and melted. And they are getting soft. Now, listen guys. Figs, when you're cooking figs, there is no need for you to put pectin in this. There is no need for you to put water in this. No, it makes its own juices, and you don't need pectin. And what I'm going to do is, it just makes its own syrup, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it cook a little more, because it's breaking up really nicely. Now you don't want to cook your figs until your syrup is too thick, because remember, as the liquid cools, it thickens, okay? So I'm going to take it off, but before I do, I will bring you back and show it to you. Okay. All right, guys, I took a piece out of the pot just to taste it and see the syrup that it made. Let's see here if I can, there we go. Hold that, baby. The syrup that it made already, and I just want to taste it. If it let me do this with one hand, okay. Ooh, it's hot. Oh yeah. Maybe let it cook for about another 5 minutes, but oh, that's good. Oh yeah. This is the way it's looking. Now, you can have your figs cut. You can have it smushed. Any way you want to. Doesn't matter. But as you can see, look at that, the syrup is looking good. Let's see here. It looks good, very good. Yeah. ya. Put some syrup on that thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it cook for about 15, not 15, maybe 5 minutes. And I'll bring it back. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm gonna start getting these jars out. Alright guys, so now this, for me, this is done. So one thing I look for is just that opening there. Yeah, that's it. That says I'm ready. Alright guys, here are my figs. I'm also done. They are delicious. And now I'm gonna bake some biscuits. But listen, I want to thank you all for stopping by, hanging out with me while I cook my figs. I did get 3 small jars of figs from that small bag, but have no fear. There's another big bag back there. But I'm not cooking that today. No. But I always will have some on hand. Alright guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Let me get these biscuits in the oven. Later, y'all. Hey guys, this is Linda. This is about 2 hours in. I just wanted to show you guys my preserves and how it looks. This is how it looks. Oh man, this is wonderful. Look at that. Yeah, it's nice. I'm gonna eat this. Oh my, oh my. Oh man. Yeah, this is my jar, y'all. This is mine. All mine. The whole jar is mine. So I could double dip in this one. Oh man. It is so delicious, guys. So delicious. And the lemon juice, you can taste that little smack on it. It's wonderful, guys. Absolutely wonderful. Now, when you all cook your figs, if you remember, when you're cooking it, just wait to see the part in the bottom of your pan, because you don't want your syrup to get too thick in the pot. Yeah, that is the perfect syrup for me. But it's delicious. All right, guys. Later, y'all.